Hi friend. Today I'm going to teach you how to install a WordPress application into my main domain called uh, codesgateway.com. Okay, so using cPanel. Okay, so using cPanel, and then in cPanel you can see that various applications we can have it with free because it's a open source. Okay, so through that you can install this subclasses of in applications or something like that. You can do it here. This WordPress application, okay, this WordPress application, Joomla or anything like that, these are all free and open source application. Most of the applications are PHP based. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is here the location is a codesgateway.com. The root location I have updated to the location. Okay, in the root location there is a file only index.html for the landing page. Okay, so if I'm going to access codersgateway.com, it will going to be access that particular location, codersgateway.com slash it's supposed to work because it's a caching things actually. uh, index.html. Okay, now, okay, so problem is, I'll tell you the problem is that you can see this is permission. Okay, so change permission, execute permissions, I'm going to give it for this, so 7555. Okay, and now I'm going to access this location. This site is ready. Okay, fine. So now what I'm going to do is actually codesgateway.com. I'm going to create. I'm going to install. I'm going to install WordPress in this particular location. Okay. Okay. We'll see that this is a location for this one. Okay. Now what I'm going to do actually, I can go to tools or I can click on this WordPress manager. So we'll go with a software software installer. Okay, so both are same actually. So we can see all applications here. So from this I can install WordPress applications. Okay, application. So I can use like a codersgateway.com. So it's a landing page, it's only. Okay, so this is a version I can set that this is a site name, coders gateway web solution blog. Okay, so I'm going to give like that, and solutions. Okay, solutions blog. So I can use the same descriptions here, all your needs. Okay, fine. So here I'm going to do coders gateway admin. Okay, I'm going to give it my admin name is something like this, and password I'm going to be give it a okay, so I'm not going to show the password now. I'm going to be tell that okay, this thing, so we can change that also that. Okay, so what I'm going to do actually, I'm going to type like okay, password here. Okay, let me show. Okay, let me show that. I'm going to I usually create a with the same way. What I'll do that actually, I can change it all the things here. C U B 6 W G at the rate. So I'm changing it. Okay, I'm changing it to something. Okay, so I'm going to change it into 8. Okay, so it's created with a scramble password and strong password like that. You can see this things. Okay, so I'm going to give like a I'm going to give my email address. Okay, for things actually I'm going to be keep this particular username and password here. So it's my old password. Okay, so we can change it here. Okay, that's it. Now what I'm going to do actually advanced setting, so I can give it like a Codas Gateway WP. Okay, WP WordPress Codas Gateway. That is the name of a database. Okay, so this is for a prefix. Okay, WP GG. Okay, it's not necessary actually. Okay, so we can give it like this. That's it. Okay, so that's it. So I'm going to use like this particular choose. I'm going to choose this particular theme. Yes, or manage themes. Okay, that will okay. The option is selected themes as installer. There's a provider build on. Okay, so fine. This will be installed in your. That's it. Okay, so I'm going to give like install. So all the things are taken care. Okay, so I'm going to give install here. That's it. So it will take a few minutes, not a few minutes. It will take a few seconds to complete this particular application. You can see now. The password, username, password I have copied here. Later I can change it. Okay. So now the site will be going to be up and ready in few seconds. So that's it. So site is ready now. You can click on that. You can see that location, and you can see the Scotus gateway. I can give like site size. Okay, change the site size. So it is ready. So I can update these particular things. And admin URL is this one. Simple. Admin URL is simple. It is going to this location. So that's it. So we can update all the details in here actually. So later if you wanted to uninstall your WordPress installation or something, okay, so we can see all the installations here. We can we can uninstall all the applications if you wanted. Okay, so it's very simple. So you can going to be delete all the applications over here, something. That's it. Okay, location, as I said, that this is called as gateway. This is the admin panel. Okay, this is admin panel. This is my site landing page. This is my site landing page. It will be going to update it as soon as possible. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is how to install your WordPress applications inside your what inside your Cpanel. Okay, so it is pretty much easy, and then we have to update it with the backend. Okay, so all the users are here. The simple site is up and ready. That's it. Okay, so we'll be going to update it. Thank you. If there is any queries and then any clarifications or any suggestions, feedback, please put it in the comment. Thank you.